Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program Bonding of Fullerene. Now we discuss students. आज अपन डिस्कस कर रहे हैं fullerenes and bonding of fullerenes. A fullerenes is any molecules composed entirely of a carbon in the form of a hollow sphere, eclipsed or tubes. So spherical fullerenes are also called buckyballs, and cylindricals one are the called is carbon non-knob tubes and Bucky tubes. So now we discuss the naming of fullerenes. Buckminster fullerene C60 was named after Richard Buckminster Fullerene, a noted a modeler was populated the geodesic domes. So the shortened names fullerenes is used to refer to the family of fullerenes. So the suffix E indicate the each carbon atom is covertly bonded to three others. So next are types of fullerenes. Student types of fullerenes are buckyball clusters fullerenes. A small member is C20. Understand the variation of with the most common is C16 fullerenes. So nanotubes. Nanotubes are hollow tubes of a very small dimensional having the single or multiple walls. So potential application is electronics is industry. So magnetubes is the larger in diameter than the nanotubes and prepared with a wall of different thickness is potentially used for the transport of a variety of molecules of a different size. So the polymers are the chain, and two-dimensional and three-dimensional polymers are formed under high pressure and high temperatures. So condition single standard is polymer are formed use the atoms transfer. So radical additions is polymerization. ATRP roots. Next are nanoporae. Nano are the spherical particles based on multiple carbon layers. So surroundings are buckyballs cores proposed by lubricants. Next are linked ball and chain dimers. Two buckyballs linked by chain carbon chains. Now we discuss structure and bonding. C60 fullerenes is consist 12 pentagons and surrounded by 20 hexagons. Students, एक fullerenes होती है जिसमें 12 पेंटागोज स्ट्रक्चर होती है एंड सराउंडिंग बाय 20 हेक्सागोन्स स्ट्रक्चर होती है. सो 60 वर्टेक्स फॉर द कार्बन एटम एंड 19 कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड बिटवीन देम, 60 सिंगल्स बॉन्ड एंड 30 डबल बॉन्डेड्स. So each carbon is part of one and two hexagons each have a two single bond and one double bond for a traditional carbon valence of 4. So the fullerenes hybridization is not fixed but has a variable characteristic depends on the number of carbon atom is in a molecules. The pentagonal rings contain only single bond, double bond have a shorter bond length and land into instability the pentagonal rings. So two types of bonds length are 0.15 plus minus 0.0015 nanometer for the bond between 5 and 6 members rings, and seconds are 0.140 plus minus 0.0015 nanometer for bond between the 6 members rings. So now we discuss fullerenes are top provision, mid provisions and bottom provisions explained in fullerene structures. The top portions are 1 pentagons and 5 hexagons, and mid positions are 10 hexagons and 10 pentagons, and bottom positions are 1 pentagons and 5 hexagons. Geometry of fullerenes. The geometry of C60 fullerene is icosahedrons with 60 vertex and 1 carbon and each. So there are the 32 face and 12 of the 12 which are pentagons. So 12 pentagons into 5 carbon is equal to 60 carbons and 20 which are hexagons. So 20 hexagons is equal to into multiply 6 is equal to 120, and 120 divided by 2 is equal to 60 carbons. We must divided by 2 because so each carbon atom is shared by 2 hexagons is C16s. Students, each pentagon is surrounded by 5 hexagons, so no two pentagons are adjacent. Net can be explained in fullerenes must have to 12 5-membered face, but in there no each number of 6-member face can vary widely. The structure of C16 has a 20 hexagonal face and C17 has a 25. So each carbon of fullerenes is sp2 hybridized and for sigma bond to 3 other carbon atoms. So fullerenes are aromatic and highly stable. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो फुलरीन्स आर एरोमेटिक कंपाउंड्स और स्टेबल होता है. C16 फुलरीन में कितने पेंटागोन एंड हेक्सागोन स्ट्रक्चर होती है. ओके, थैंक यू.